Using AI just for prompting, asking a few questions, getting a few answers, it's like riding a bicycle. It's fun, you enjoy it, you get some benefit out of it. But what if you could not just ride a bicycle, but you could fly a plane? Only 5% of professionals are actually being productive. They're actually saving time. And when they save time, it's a significant amount of time. It's almost 40% of what they do. The program that we're launching is what we call a finder. It's a new role in the community. And that job for that youth that becomes a finder is to translate the power of AI for the benefit of the community. And they do this by going through a 1-year program about applied artificial intelligence skills. And we teach them how to fly that plane. Why just pick the beans when you can create chocolate?